Today, we will be exploring the solar-powered generator 200W peak/100W rated, a portable power station designed to provide convenient energy solutions for a variety of applications. This generator has garnered attention for its eco-friendly approach to power generation, particularly with the inclusion of solar panels that enable off-grid energy use. At first glance, the solar-powered generator boasts a compact and lightweight design, making it an appealing option for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, or anyone looking for a reliable backup power source. With a peak output of 200 watts and a rated output of 100 watts, this generator can power a range of devices, from small electronics to lights, providing a practical solution wherever electricity is needed. One of the key features of this generator is its versatility. It is equipped with multiple output ports, including AC outlets, USB ports, and DC outputs. This variety allows users to charge or power a range of devices simultaneously. Whether you need to keep your smartphone charged during a hiking trip or run a small appliance during a power outage, the solar-powered generator offers flexibility to meet different energy needs. The inclusion of solar panels is particularly noteworthy. These panels allow the generator to harness renewable energy from sunlight, making it an environmentally conscious choice. Setting up the solar panels is relatively straightforward, enabling users to recharge the generator while enjoying the outdoors. This feature is especially useful for extended trips where traditional power sources may not be available. In terms of usability, the generator is designed with ease of operation in mind. It comes with a user-friendly interface that clearly displays battery levels and output status, allowing users to monitor their power usage effectively. Additionally, the lightweight design means that it can be transported easily, whether you are heading to a remote campsite or simply need a backup power option at home. In conclusion, the solar-powered generator 200W peak/100W rated presents a practical and eco-friendly power solution suitable for a variety of situations. Its combination of portability, versatility, and renewable energy capabilities makes it an appealing choice for those looking to maintain power accessibility in an environmentally conscious manner. With its thoughtful design and functionality, this generator can enhance outdoor experiences or provide peace of mind during unexpected power outages.